pretty easy to put Windows 11 onto older hardware. First of all, you want to go to Microsoft, Win 11, ISO. Make sure you select the genuine Microsoft account. Then scroll down a bit, and then it's there, look, ISOs. It's the multi-edition. That one. I've already downloaded it. Then go to Rufus. Brilliant tool this is. I use it all the time for making bootable discs. So just go to the download. Get the one for your system. Either if you're doing it on a 36-bit, do it 36 or 64-bit. Get that one. So I'll just run it. So this wizard comes up. Select your USB. I've only got one in, so it's got it. Select your ISO image, Windows 11 ISO, and then just press start. Make sure the top one's ticked. So it's going to remove the requirement for 4GB plus RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. Have a look through, see if there's any others you want removing or adding. Then just press OK and it'll start. I haven't got to do it, so I'm going to turn it off now. So that's going to create you a Windows 11 bootable installation USB. You just put it in the laptop or the PC you want and go through a standard installation.